Charlie Woods and Kai Trump wrapped up play at one of South Florida's top junior golf tournaments on June 24. Woods, the son of legendary golfer Tiger Woods, and Trump, the eldest grandchild of President Donald J. Trump, played the second and final round of the 41st Nicklaus Junior Championship on Tuesday at Tequesta Country Club. Woods shot 69 2-under to finish the tournament even par in sixth place in a field of 122 golfers. He finished 4 shots back of Potest Lucy's Jeremy Shue, who won the tournament at 4 under. Trump shot 74 3-over to finish the tournament 17 over and tied for 19th in a field of 32 golfers. Jupiter's Reese McMillan defeated Lake Worth's Bella Simos in a playoff to win the girls' competition at 2 over for the tournament. Woods, who entered the day tied for 12th and 4 shots back of the leaders, rallied on the front nine, carding an eagle on the par 4 number 2 and pulling within a shot of the lead with 8 holes to play. He double bogeyed the par 5 number 12 to drop off the lead pace. Trump, who entered the final round tied for 28th after shooting an 86 on Monday at the Bears Club, enjoyed a much better day at the Tequesta Country Club. She played the front nine at 1 under, which was the best front nine of any girls player in the final round. Named after golf's most decorated major champion, the Nicklaus Junior is an annual tournament organized by the South Florida PGA and the Palm Beach County Golf Association. The 2-day competition is split between the Bears Club in Jupiter and the Tequesta Country Club. Previous winners include Brooks Koepka and Daniel Berger. Woods, a Benjamin School junior and the son of legendary golfer Tiger Woods, shot 71 1-under and finished tied for 5th in a qualifier at Eagle Trace Golf Club in Coral Springs. He defeated Boca Raton's Oscar Crowe and Palm Beach Gardens' Matthew Marigliano in a playoff to secure the 5th and final qualifying spot. The 2025 U.S. Junior Amateur will be played July 21-26 at Trinity Forest Golf Club in Dallas. Woods played in his first U.S. Junior Amateur Championship in 2024. He missed the cut after shooting 22 over in the first 2 rounds. Whereas Kai Trump going to college. Kai Trump took to Instagram on August 18, 2024 to announce her commitment to the University of Miami women's golf team. "I am beyond excited to announce my verbal commitment to the University of Miami," Kai wrote in the caption. "I would like to thank my mom, Vanessa, and my dad, Don, for always supporting me through my journey. I would also like to thank my great team for getting me to this point. I would like to thank my grandpa for giving me access to great courses and tremendous support. I am super excited to be a Cane and represent the University of Miami. Go Canes!"